Aigency Valet, the first ever AI automation engine that finds, learns, and sells for you. Finds and train itself and even close $500 to $1,000 clients for you based on your niche and any location you want to pitch on, thus helping you make more profit while working less and continuously providing with buyers. Aigency Valet finds local, national, or global clients in any niche. It doesn't only find leads but actually study them. I think it is a complete package for you make more money, easy and quick. It's a great tool to go with. You don't even need to first find clients in your niche and then send email. It would be done by your assistant Aigency Valet, which write the perfect pitch email. It writes persuasive emails that practical forces replies and get clients lining up to pay, providing you with high-paying clients. It is a fantastic tool whether you works for agency, freelancers, or a side hustlers. Grab the offer now for maximum offer. It's exclusively offering you the bonus to try, which include access to tech team to fulfill your services. AI chatbots are scorching hot right now. With this special bonus you will get full access to find business language. There are many other bonus once you have Aigency Valet tool. To get the bonus, click the link in the description.